everybody. Guess what we saw at the grocery store? We saw some Benevolent bacon. It's some vegetarian bacon. We've never had this before in our whole life, so we are going to give it a try. And here is the ingredients back here. It doesn't really look like a real slice of bacon. It looks like something covered with a lot of barbecue sauce. We're going to give it a try and see if it's great. And we'll let you know. Just so if you see it at the stores, we'll let you know what we think. And then maybe you'll think if this is good. If we like it a lot, maybe you'll want to give it a try. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera so you can see what's in here. Here's all the ingredients. Here's the brand again. We're going to be making this on a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. And I haven't had real bacon in a very, very long time, so this will be interesting. If it tastes great, then I'll go buy this again. It smells like barbecue chips. Okay, so we have our bacon here. We're going to put some egg and cheese in the bacon, the vegetarian bacon. We got the vegetarian bacon. Put it over here. It's nice. It's kind of floppy. It's not as crispy as the real bacon. I guess they can't be perfect, you know, at least it's something different. I'll put 3 on here. Okay, now we're going to give this a try. Okay, so I'm going to give this a try all by itself. Here it goes, ready? It does not taste like bacon, but it's good. I mean, if you want a little meaty taste in your food, it's a good option. I'm going to try my sandwich here. Okay, honestly, it really doesn't taste like bacon at all. They tried hard, but it doesn't really look like bacon, and it doesn't taste like bacon at all. It just kind of tastes like some kind of it kind of tastes like some crunchy like chicken skin, kind of like that. So now it's time to go find out what my kids think about it, and they're really picky, so let's see if they like it. Does it taste like bacon?
It tastes like plainness.
Like something that's plain and crunchy?
I like it because it adds crunch.
But that's about it. Yeah, that's it. You know what? It's good because if you were looking for some crunch, yeah, it'll add some crunch. Isn't it kind of like plain?
It actually tastes good.
It does? But it doesn't taste like bacon, right?
No, but it tastes good.
It tastes good, but it doesn't taste like bacon. So we think that it tastes good, but it doesn't taste like bacon. And it does give you that texture, the little crunchy texture, with a hint of barbecue flavor. There's Helena. She's trying that vegetarian bacon.
I taste okay.
And how about you? Here's Soraya. She actually likes bacon a lot, so she's going to be honest if she thinks it's good or not. Okay, go on. It's good? You don't like it? This is the next vegetarian meat we're going to try. It's Chipotle style Seitan. I think you say Seitan. I'm not quite sure. But here's the nutrition facts and the ingredients. And it's the back of the packaging. And it says we use enlightened food. And there it is right there cooking. Okay, nice and crisp. It looks good. Smells good, smells good. We'll see how it tastes. Here
What
comes
kind of meat
Helena.
is this?
It's supposed to be Chipotle chicken. But in my opinion, it tastes exactly like the bacon yesterday.
Really?
Just a little spicier.
I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like that one? Yeah? This is a little bit spicy, sir.
Is that vegan?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Yeah, no animals were killed to make this, guys. Wait. No? And you? But you're still gonna have on your sandwich?
No.
Why?
Does it taste bad?
Okay, load it up in the bowl. I'll have to eat it for later. I'm gonna put it in a I guess in a quesadilla. This meat's a little expensive. I mean, this vegan meat's a little expensive too. It's almost $5, and see, we only get a little, so we cannot just throw it away. In my opinion, it tastes just like the bacon yesterday, only a little spicier.
I don't think that I remember yesterday.
Thanks for watching.